In this video, I'll show you how to hide all of your photos on Facebook. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. This guide is going to work on both mobiles and computers, and let's get right into this. So there are many reasons why you may want to go and hide all photos and videos from your Facebook profile. Maybe you're starting a new job, or you just are embarrassed by them, or something like that. Anyways, all you need to do is go to your Facebook profile. To do that on a mobile device, all you need to do is tap on menu in the bottom right and then tap on see your profile at the top. And to do this on a computer is very easy as well. Just go right into the top right, tap on your profile picture and then tap on your profile, and then here we are. And then what you need to do is sort of stay at the top actually, and where you've got the options for create and edit profile, to the right of those options you've then just got 3 dots. Tap there like so and your profile settings will then load. And it's important to note that there are going to be different types of photos which are going to appear on your profile, photos you've been tagged in and also photos you post yourself, and I'll show you how you can hide both. So firstly, I'll show you how you can hide photos you've been tagged in. To do that, tap on profile and tagging settings, and then what you can do is go and choose who can go and see posts that you're tagged in on your profile. As you can see at the moment, mine is set to friends of friends. So if we go to tagging, you can tap there and then you can choose, and you can tap on more as well, and I can have only me if I'd like, which basically means no one else can see it. And then you may want to go and repeat that for that second option there as well. And then once you've done the profile and tagging, we then need to do photos that you've actually posted yourself. To do that, go to activity log. And then what you want to do is to manage your posts like this. Now, what we want to do is if you just want to hide photos and videos and not your sort of text post, then what you can do is tap on filters and then filter it by category, and the category includes photos and videos. However, you may want to make all of your posts private, but it's the exact same, you just don't apply the filter. So in this case, I'm just going to do photos and videos, so I'll tap there. And then what you need to do is tap on the all button in the top on the left hand side like so, and that's going to go and select them all. I've only got one, so it isn't really going to apply. And then just come to the bottom, and what you can do is tap on the 3 dots, don't click archive or recycle bin, tap on the 3 dots, and then you can go and change the audience, and you can make it to only you in that case, and then I could tap change, and there we go, it's now updated, and only I can go and see that photo. So there we go guys, that is how you can go and hide all photos on your Facebook page. If you found this useful, then please consider leaving a like. Peace.